Hi everyone, today we're going to look at the double consonants and the diphthongs. Therefore, this is the last part of the alphabet where I'm going to give you instructions of how to read in Greek. This is Salvo and welcome to Ninjaglossa, your language learning hub. This channel is entirely dedicated to language learning. I'm going to try my best to share with you my knowledge and passion that I've got for foreign languages and cultures. So these are the letters that we learned in the previous videos. So alpha, it's an A sound. Vita, it's a V sound. Gamma, it's a G sound. Delta, which is a V sound. Epsilon, that's the E sound. Zeta, eta, theta, which is the th, like in English, I think. Theta, iota, another E sound, like in eta. Then kappa, which is a K sound, always K. Lambda, that's an L. Mi, ni, xi. Just be careful, do not confuse ni with our script in Latin, V, okay? So that is ni. Then xi, and then omicron. And these are the last ones that we saw in the previous video. P, ro. So R, do not be confused even if it looks like an P, because that in Greek it's a ro, ro. Sigma, sigma. Taf, ypsilon. This is our third consonant and our third letter in the Greek alphabet that is read E. So we have eta, we have iota, and we have ypsilon. These three letters are read in Greek as E. Then phi, chi, psi, and finally omega. So we have two letters in the Greek alphabet that have the O sound, and they are omicron and omega. So let's have a look now what happens when double consonants are together. Because in modern Greek, the beta that used to be in classical Greek is now a vita, that means we do not have a B anymore. Because what was beta now is vita. So how do we write words that have a B sound, B like bravo? In Greek today, we have an M, me, and P. M and P together make together the B sound. Like in this word, to bagno, the bathroom. To bagno. So remember, M, P together make the B sound. Another word, I birra. I birra. To and I, as I said in the previous video, are two articles. To is the neutral noun, as we're going to look in the next videos, and I is the feminine article for feminine nouns. I birra. So, B or mb, like in the word campana, the bell, campana. So if a word begins with MP, it's normally a B sound, whereas it is even if it's found in the middle, it will be read as mb. So campana, campana, I campana. Now, we know that delta is a th, like the English the house, the. So what if I have a word that has a d sound, like d? D is the union of ni and taf. So these two consonants together make the new sound of d, d. So idulapa, idulapa is the wardrobe, dulapa. So do, you will write it with ni and taf together. Or if you want to say the word video, to video, we have another example. You have V, which is the vita and iota, and the D sound will be produced by merging together the two consonants, which is ni and taf, to video. Now, we know that gάμμα, as I introduced in the first video, has a very soft pronunciation, as in g, gάμma, to gala. Remember the word to gala? So what if I have a word today that is g? Because g is very soft, if I put a k, a kappa, after gάμma, it becomes g, stronger, g. So γκρι, as in gray, the color gray, will be written γάμμα kappa, and that is g, γκρι. Even if I want to say o γκουρού, it's not gu, it's gu. So the guru. Gu again is γάμμα kappa, o γκουρού. If two γάμμα together are encountered, you will be reading them as ng. So the word for English, for example, is Anglica. Anglica. It's not Anglica, but Anglica. So even this word, which means the messenger originally, or angelos, which means angel, or angelos, will be written exactly like this, or angelos. A, gamma, gamma, e. Gamma, gamma equals ng, or angelos, or angelos. T, taf, sigma, t, s, make ts, ts. So, I, tsanda. And here in this word for handbag, we've got the two examples, the two unions that we've seen so far. The ts, which is a ts sound, and the d, which is made up by ni and taf. So, I tsanda, I tsanda. And tzatziki, to tzatziki. We have taf and zita, z, z. Because if you remember, zita is a z sound, z. But tzatziki is not zaziki, it's not zaziki, it's tzatziki. So in order to make this z, z sound, we need to add the t in front. Same thing, if you want to say sanda, but sanda is tsanda, to make tsanda, we have taf and s. So ts, ts, tsanda, I tsanda, and to tzatziki, to tzatziki. So here are the diphthongs. What are diphthongs? Basically, diphthongs are when two or more vowels are pronounced together as a single syllable. Epsilon and iota in modern Greek are read together as E. So if we look at the example, to klidi, which means the key, to klidi, it will be written like this, kappa lambda, and then epsilon iota. Whenever you see epsilon iota, you will have to pronounce them as in E. So, klidi. Also, the omicron and iota together will be read as in E. So, economia, economia is written omicron iota. And that is always the rule. Whenever you see epsilon iota is E. And whenever you see omicron and iota is also E. So that means that we've got at least 5 letters that are read E. Remember the eta, the iota, the epsilon, now also epsilon iota, and omicron iota. These 5 combinations, these 5 possibilities are always read E. And then we have alpha iota is E. So as in the word ne. Ne means yes. Ne. And Omicron Ipsilon is always U, like Uranos. Uranos, the sky, or Uranos. This is the last list. The last list of whenever we have an epsilon and another consonant. Whenever we have a epsilon, alpha epsilon, like in avrio, it will pronounce as an v, avrio. Avrio means tomorrow. So avrio, avrio. But if it is as in afto, followed with a T, it will become an F sound. So afto, this, afto. The same story applies with epsilon, 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 like in ευχαριστώ, ευχαριστώ. With the ch, the epsilon is read f, so ευχαριστώ. And with another softer consonant, like in γάμμα, it will be ευγένεια, ευγένεια, as in kindness, from which the word Eugene comes from, ευγένεια. So αύριο, αυτό, ευχαριστώ, and ευγένεια. So here are a few words that can help you remember how to pronounce the combinations of vowels and consonants in Greek. Let's read together these words. Η θεραπεία, η θεραπεία. Το φαρμακείο, το φαρμακείο. Η μουστάρδα, η μουστάρδα. Η Ευρώπη, η Ευρώπη. Το ούζο, το ούζο. Η είσοδος, η είσοδος. Η αρχαιολογία, η αρχαιολογία. Το σούπερ μάρκετ, το σούπερ μάρκετ. Η γυναίκα, η γυναίκα. Το λεωφορείο, το λεωφορείο. Το νοσοκομείο, το νοσοκομείο. Η ευχή, η ευχή. Thank you very much for having watched this video. I hope you have enjoyed the last part of the Greek alphabet and combinations on consonants and diphthongs. Do not forget to subscribe